Have you ever found yourself daydreaming? So absorbed in your aspirations that the world around you seems to blur? You're envisioning achievements so grand, so out of the ordinary, that they feel almost otherworldly. Yet, the moment you voice these dreams out loud, you're met with raised eyebrows, skeptical looks, or even a well-meaning let's be realistic. But what if this realm of unrealistic dreams is not just a fanciful escape, but a necessary path to achieving greatness? Imagine a world where your boldest, most delusional ambitions are not just idle fantasies, but blueprints for your future. That's the world we're stepping into today. In this exploration, we're not encouraging a detachment from reality. Instead, we're advocating for a powerful shift in perspective. It's about seeing the invisible, believing in the improbable, and pursuing the incredible. This journey is not for the faint-hearted. It's for those who dare to dream beyond the ordinary, who see beyond the horizon of common belief. So, if you've ever been branded as delusional for your unwavering belief in your seemingly impossible goals, you're in the right place. We're about to delve deep into how this very mindset, often dismissed by many, might be the catalyst you need to manifest your deepest desires into reality. Together, we will unravel the mysteries of this unconventional approach and discover how what some might call a delusion could actually be your most potent tool in the alchemy of achievement. Defining delusion in a new light. In our journey towards understanding the power of delusional thinking and manifestation, it's crucial to first redefine what we mean by delusion. Typically, the word carries a heavy negative connotation, often associated with a loss of contact with reality. But here, we're flipping the script. We're not talking about a detachment from the real world, but rather an unwavering belief in one's own potential and the potential of their dreams. This kind of delusion is about seeing beyond the current reality, about holding a vision so clear and so vivid that it almost feels real. It's about nurturing an inner conviction that your goals are not just achievable, but are almost predestined. In this light, delusional thinking becomes a powerful mental tool. It's a form of extreme optimism, where you're not just hoping for the best, but are deeply convinced of its inevitability. So, as we use the term delusional in this context, remember, it's not about losing grip on reality. It's about extending the boundaries of what you believe is possible. It's about rewriting the rules of your reality. The power of belief. Now that we've redefined delusion, let's delve deeper into the incredible power of belief. This is where the heart of our journey lies. Belief, especially the kind that borders on what many would call delusion, is a potent force. It's the fuel that powers the engine of manifestation. But how exactly does this work? How does believing in something so fervently, even against all odds, change the game? First, let's understand the psychological mechanics at play. When you believe in something with every fiber of your being, your mind begins to align with your goals. This alignment isn't just theoretical. It's a tangible shift in your thought patterns, your emotions, and even your actions. You start to view the world not just as it is, but as it could be in alignment with your goals. This shift is powerful. It transforms obstacles into opportunities, setbacks into lessons, and doubts into motivations. Think of belief as a lens through which you view the world. A delusional belief, in this sense, is like a lens that magnifies your ability to see and seize possibilities. It's a mindset that asks, why not me? Instead of, why me? It's an attitude that embraces challenges, confident in the eventual success. This kind of thinking doesn't ignore the reality of situations, but chooses to view them as stepping stones rather than stumbling blocks. But this isn't just about positive thinking. It's about positive doing. Belief drives action. When you truly believe in the inevitability of your success, your actions start to mirror this belief. You work harder, smarter, and more persistently because you're not just hoping for success. You're expecting it. You're preparing for it. And here's where the magic happens. As your actions start to align with your beliefs, the world begins to respond. Opportunities start to align, connections are made, and what once seemed like mere coincidences now appear as signposts guiding you towards your goal. It's not that the universe is conspiring in your favor. It's that you've aligned yourself so completely with your vision that you've become a magnet for its realization. Psychological insights. As we navigate the delicate balance between empowering belief and fantasy, it's crucial to draw upon psychological insights. Understanding the science behind our thoughts and beliefs helps us harness the power of delusional thinking in a constructive way. Let's explore some key psychological concepts that illuminate why and how a strong belief in our own capabilities and goals can significantly impact our ability to manifest them. First, consider the concept of the self-fulfilling prophecy. This psychological phenomenon occurs when a belief or expectation, whether positive or negative, directly or indirectly causes itself to become true. When you firmly believe in the success of your endeavors, you subconsciously set in motion a series of thoughts, behaviors, and interactions that help bring that belief to fruition. It's not just wishful thinking, it's a powerful psychological principle at work. Another pivotal concept is the placebo effect, often seen in medical trials but applicable in broader life contexts. When people believe they are receiving treatment, even if it's just a sugar pill, they often experience real improvements. This effect underscores the incredible power of belief and expectation. If belief alone can bring about tangible changes in our physical health, imagine what it can do when applied to our dreams and goals. The law of attraction, popularized in recent years, also ties into this. It suggests that positive or negative thoughts bring positive or negative experiences into a person's life. While this idea can veer into overly simplistic territory, its core message resonates with our theme. The energy and focus you put out into the world play a significant role in what you attract. Now, it's important to approach these concepts with a balanced perspective. They are not magical formulas guaranteeing success, but they do highlight a fundamental truth. Our mindset profoundly influences our journey towards our goals. Believing in something passionately, even against the grain of common perception, can prime your mind and actions for success. It's about aligning your mental and emotional energies with your actions, creating a synergy that propels you forward. Balancing delusion with reality. Understanding the psychology behind our beliefs leads us to an essential aspect of manifestation, balancing our delusional optimism with a grounded sense of reality. This balance is key to ensuring that our lofty ambitions don't drift into the realm of fantasy. At the core of this balance is self-awareness. It's about recognizing the difference between constructive belief and mere daydreaming. Constructive belief pushes you to take action, to plan, to strategize, and to adapt. It's a belief rooted in a vision that, while ambitious, is still tethered to the practical aspects of execution. The danger lies in tipping too far into fantasy, where our dreams become so detached from reality that they no longer inspire actionable steps. This is where delusion can become counterproductive. The art lies in dreaming big but also being ruthlessly honest about the steps needed to get there. It's about setting ambitious goals but also breaking them down into achievable, realistic milestones. Moreover, staying connected to reality involves being open to feedback and willing to adjust your course when necessary. It's about being passionate about your goals but also being adaptable and responsive to the changing dynamics of the real world. We've highlighted the importance of striking a balance between high-flying belief and practical action. It's this balance that transforms delusional thinking from a fanciful escape into a powerful tool for manifestation. Next, we will explore how to cultivate and maintain this mindset to manifest your desires effectively. Mindset shifts for manifestation. Cultivating a mindset that effectively balances delusional belief with reality is the next crucial step in our journey. This requires deliberate mental shifts, changes in how we think, perceive, and act on our ambitions. Let's explore some key mindset shifts that can help you harness your belief as a tool for manifestation. Start by allowing yourself to dream big, envisioning your goals without limitations. This doesn't mean ignoring reality. Rather, it's about expanding your perception of what's possible. Visualize your success vividly, down to the smallest details. This visualization isn't just a daydream. It's a blueprint for your subconscious mind to follow. Confidence here means a deep-seated belief in your ability to achieve your goals. It's not arrogance or ignorance of challenges, but a calm assurance that you have what it takes to overcome them. This confidence keeps you resilient in the face of setbacks and rejections. A delusional mindset is relentlessly optimistic, but this optimism is strategic. It's about consistently focusing on solutions rather than problems, possibilities rather than limitations. This doesn't mean ignoring difficulties. It means approaching them with a mindset that views every challenge as an opportunity to learn and grow. While you embrace delusional thinking, you must also engage in grounded action. This means setting realistic, incremental goals that lead to your ultimate ambition. It involves detailed planning, regular assessment, and a willingness to adapt strategies as needed. The path to manifesting your dreams will inevitably include obstacles. A key part of this mindset is resilience, the ability to bounce back from failures and adapt to changing circumstances. It's about viewing failures not as the end of the road, but as stepping stones towards your goal. By integrating these mindset shifts, you transform your delusional belief into a dynamic force. It becomes a focused, actionable belief system that propels you towards manifestation. It's a blend of dreaming big and acting pragmatically, a combination that's potent for achieving what once seemed impossible. As we conclude our journey on how being delusional can unlock the secrets of manifestation, let's encapsulate our insights. We've redefined delusion as a profound belief in our goals, a force that reshapes our perception and approach. This isn't about losing touch with reality, but about aligning our dreams with a strong, optimistic mindset, grounded in practical action. We've explored the psychological underpinnings of belief, the balance between ambition and realism, and the essential mindset shifts for effective manifestation. Remember, your delusional belief, far from being a fantasy, is a powerful tool for shaping reality and achieving what once seemed unattainable. Embrace this mindset, blend it with actionable steps, and watch as the extraordinary becomes achievable.